Quinoa is a good protein option for meatless diets. If you've tried it but you just didn't like it, do this.
Cheers!
That's right. Toast it. Come on, I'll show you how quick and easy it is. Toasting quinoa gives it a rich, nutty flavor you'll love. Pour dry quinoa into an ungreased skillet on medium heat. Stir frequently so it doesn't burn. After 10 to 15 minutes, the quinoa will be fragrant and golden brown. Remove the skillet from the heat and let it cool. Rinse well for a couple of minutes to remove saponin, the bitter coating. Be sure to use a fine mesh strainer so the quinoa doesn't wash away. Cook according to the package directions. I like to add fresh garlic and bouillon for extra flavor. Be creative. Use whatever you like. For a quick meal, steam an assortment of vegetables while the quinoa cooks. Put the veggies over a bed of quinoa and season as you like. I sometimes top this combination with soy sauce and toasted sesame oil for a delicious Asian twist. Check out our other videos on veggies and sage. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.